Greetings and salutations. This is Carla from MooreTalkJa, and this is a poem that I just wrote. It's called Lint. I love you. I'm loving you. Will love you in every tense. Love. I spend my days talking to the wrong people, waiting for you to please find me. I look strangers dead in the face and smile at them for no reason, just in case, on the off chance that it's you, with the grocery bags, or the headphones, or crumbling the patty bag and drinking the last of the juice. Because I know you're out there. I know you're coming, and I know, with perfect knowledge, that you will be imperfect. So I spend my days preparing the corners of my heart for your imperfections, because when it happens in a hospital bed or own, when one of us looks unseen upon the other, exhaling translucent goodbyes, it will be your imperfections I swallow before I take my last breath, or your feelings that make me smile as my nails grow dirty and my own knees fail me. On a day like today, I grow anxious for your shoulder, for the ways you will smile at me, for the pieces of thread I pick from your shirt and the lint from your hair, for the way you will always move over to make space for me, no matter how small the chair, for the sips you will take from my cups of tea, and the French fries I will steal, and the way you will frown at me and greasy lip kiss me, and we will laugh. I am lonely for you, passing time with people who don't get my jokes, or understand my silences, or care to remember my favorite kind of cake, or my grandmother's birthday, or the day she died, to bring me flowers before the sadness. I am lonely for you. You, who I do not know, but yet I am certain of your coming. I love you. And if you are just a thought, I love you still. But I know you are a thing I can hold, a safe place to sleep, a hip beside my own, beside me. So that was lint. Oh, this is my fake here. That was lint, and I mean, I guess it's pretty self-explanatory. I guess it could be a poem to a love that may come. I finished my 30-day challenge. This wasn't a part of my 30-day challenge. I finished some time ago. I got 24 poems done for people who are keeping up with it. Got 24 poems done over about a 36-day period, which was pretty good. The starting part of it, enough things, and then by the end your brain just tired, but not every poem is going to be your greatest poem, and some of them were not even very good poems, but the fact is that I got them done. And so even if when I like them, I can take select lines and them type of something and use them. But it was good to see what would happen if I forced myself to write even when I wasn't in a mood to write. And some of the better ones that I wrote were actually when I just wasn't in a mood to write. One of them was actually a poem about how I really know how to write right now, which it worked for me. So I don't know if I'll be doing any more creative challenges soon. I might share some poetry, if you don't mind. I don't know if I'll be doing any more creative challenges soon, but just as usual, keep on watching the channel because things is going to come out here. Thank you to everybody who followed and liked. Every time I said they've used them on the poem, I'm especially surprised because I'm like, why would you watch that? And especially to the people who joined me and did their own creative challenges. That really means a lot to me. So take care of yourself, take care of each other, and from the land of people who love and just can't stop talking about it. I always tell people that the one thing that I believe in is love's ability to make people brave. So if you do love somebody, or I hope that your love makes you brave enough to do whatever you need to do to be with or stay with the person that you love. Yes. That is my parting note on this issue. Okay, everybody. Goodbye.